Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are having a nice time. But I am in trouble. Yes, and you are also in trouble. We are in troubleshooting from chapter 2, computer and the security of the user. So, last class we discussed 4 problems, and today we are going to discuss another 4 problems. So, ready to have some problems? Okay, let's go. And problem 5, the device hangs while running the Windows. This is very common problem for the computer user. The device hangs. What is the solution? We have to check whether there is any virus in the hard disk by running an upgraded antivirus. The problem occurs when the computer gets virus affected, so we have to check it. Then we have to install Windows. Before installing Windows, we have to take the backup of important data from the disk. So we have to take the backup. Then we have to format C drive. So what are we doing? Taking the backup, format C drive, then install Windows. Okay, it's easy, very easy. The common problem, the device hangs. Solution, by an upgraded antivirus, we have to check the computer. Then we have to take the backup. We have to format C drive. Then we have to install Windows. Okay, solved. Now our next problem is display hangs. Display hangs when the power button is turned on. Display hangs, it means it is stuck in one place, it's not moving when the power button is turned on. What is the solution? We have to turn off the power button. It's important. If we have to turn off the power button, and we have to open the casing, remove carefully the data cables, power cables connected to hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD. So first we have to turning off the power button. Then we have to remove all cables, data cables, power cables, all cables, remove all cables. Then we have to reconnect the cables. Removing all cables and reconnecting the cables. After reconnecting the cables, we have to restart the computer. Okay, is it clear to you? What we did? Turning off the power button, then remove all cables, and then reconnect the cables. After that, we have restarted the computer. The problem, the display hangs problem, is solved here. But if it is not solved, we have another option. We have to go second step. We have to check RAM, processor, power supply connections separately, whether they are faulty or loosely connected. If they are faulty, we have to replace it. If it is loosely connected, we have to connect tightly. So after checking and replacing, connecting tightly, if it is not solved, we have another step. We have to check the motherboard. Okay, if it is faulty, then we have to change the motherboard, but for changing the motherboard, we have to go to an expert to consult an expert. Please don't do it yourself, it's quite risky job. Okay, this part, changing the motherboard, this part is for a service center, but you have to know what we are doing. Okay, so our problem was display hangs when the power button is turned on. First step is turning off the power button, removing all cables, reconnecting the cables, and restart the computer. Then we have to check all parts, RAM, processor, power supply. We have to check they are faulty or not, loosely connected or connection. We have to check the connection. Then we have to check the motherboard and we have to change the motherboard. Okay. It looks quite long, but it's easy. Step by step. First step, second step, third step. Okay. Is it clear? Can I move to problem 7? Yes. Okay. Problem 7 is the computer repeatedly acts frozen. Repeatedly acts frozen, what does it mean? It means acts frozen, it means unresponsive computer. Unresponsive means when the computer does not respond to any user, it is said that it is frozen. Okay, it is not responding to the user, so it is frozen. And then what is this? Reboot automatically. Reboot means it is reloading the operating system. That means it is restarting again and again. First thing is it's not responding to you, and secondly it is restarting itself. Listen, you have to understand the problem first. Don't go for solution. If you understand the problem, the solution is easy. Important is here problem. Our problem is here, this computer is repeatedly acts frozen and reboot automatically. Okay, is it clear? You have got the points. Repeatedly acts frozen means it's not responding to you, and reboot automatically means restarting itself. Okay, so solution is the problem occurs if the cooling fan set over the CPU. So what happens? It cannot move or cool the system properly. So in that case, we have to open the cooling fan. Before opening the cooling fan, we have to turn off the switch of the power. Okay. Here we are opening the cooling fan. If the fan is faulty, we have to replace it. Okay. Here we are replacing another cooling fan. If the problem is still not solved, we have to check for antivirus. This problem is normally occurs when the computer is virus affected. So we have to clean up the hard disk by running an upgraded antivirus. Okay, we have to check it. We have to clean up the hard disk. And another possibility is if you install any new hardware or program, in that case it also the problem is also happens. It also occurs in that case. We have to uninstall the program and run the computer. Okay. If you install anything, we have to uninstall this. So our problem is the computer repeatedly acts frozen and reboot automatically. What we have to do, we have to open the cooling fan and replace a new one. We have to run an upgraded antivirus. If we install any program, we have to uninstall it. Okay, clear? Okay, next problem is today's last problem, getting electric shock. You are getting electric shock when you touch the metal part of the computer. There are some metal part of the computer. When you touch that one, you get a shock, a small shock, but you get an electric shock. Why? Actually, this problem occurs when the computer has not earth. You have to earth your computer properly. Okay, we have to calling a skilled electrician and get the computer properly earthed. This is the metal part, this is the metal part. Okay, so getting electric shock touching when you touch the metal part, solution is we have to get the computer properly earthed. Okay, then the problem will be solved. So today we have discussed 4 problems, and next class we will discuss problem 9, 10, 11, 12, another 4 problems, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.